Freedom means setting your own goals. Freedom means being able to recognize the truth for yourself. Freedom means looking beyond the surface. Freedom also means saying things that no one wants to hear. Freedom is a right everyone is entitled to, but only a few have. Freedom means health, mobility, ease, compassion, responsibility, future. Freedom is power. The power to change who you are and to change the entire world. Go vegan.
Veganism. We've been hearing this term a lot lately. It's becoming increasingly popular. Now, we see in the news every day that a lot of celebrities have turned vegan. Now, what exactly is this? Veganism is a set of people who choose not to consume any products related to animals or derived from animals. They choose not to consume dairy products, eggs, or any animal related products. Now, the definition of veganism is that it is a way of living that attempts to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty, be it from food, clothing, or any other purpose. Now, why do people go vegan? And another important aspect. Now, there could be many reasons for people to go vegan. It could be ethics, it could be health, it could be environment, it could be anything, and it's just a way of living.
Now I'll be talking about some of the points based on animal cruelty. These animals raised for food consumption are raised in a very inhuman condition and on a very large basis. Babies are taken away from their mothers and sick cows are pumped with full of antibiotics. This causes a lot of pain in them and also ensures early aging. According to some stats, 99% of these animals which live in these farmlands which are used for profit and yield are usually very tight spaces and have very unhealthy light patterns. This causes a lot of health effects to these animals. Every kind of animal raised for food production gets brutally murdered as soon as they reach a certain age or cannot produce milk or egg further. Many vegetarians believe that since they do not consume any meat, they are not causing any damage to animal cruelty. But this is totally against the point. Vegetarians also consume a lot of dairy products. For this, animals such as cows, buffaloes are brutally injected with a lot of antibiotics or various medicines so that it increases the productivity of the milk. But this causes a lot of problems to the cows and the buffalo since it causes early aging and they die due to these antibiotics. So now meat or dairy products aren't just destroying our environment or our health, but they are also inflicting immense amounts of cruelty to billions of sentiments. I feel going vegan is one of the best things we as humans could do, because this can ensure a proper ecosystem in the environment.
Today we are going to be speaking about a very interesting topic, about the veganism, the environmental perspective about veganism. So, how veganism has impacted the world all around? What is its environmental exploitation that it has caused to, and how it has been, depleting our environment from years to years. So, I'm going to be speaking about the certain facts about veganism, that how certain facts about veganism and the stats that it has been causing so much of harm to our environment in the recent years. Now let's speak about the facts right now. Now 20 vegetarians can live off the land required by one meat eater. If Americans reduce their meat consumption by 10%, it would be free 12 lakh tons of grains, enough to feed 60 lakhs people. Now, if they continue to clear American forest to raise cattle at the present rate, in 50 years there will be none left 1 acre lands. 165 lbs of beef or 20,000 lbf of potatoes. Pressure on lands due to the meat farming leads to soil erosion. 6 billion tons a year in the USA, that is the United States of America. If everyone went vegetarian, up to 90% of the land used for the annual animal farming could be taken out 1 acre lands. If everyone went vegetarian, up to 90% of the land used for the annual animal farming could be taken out of production and used to replant woodlands, leisure activities, etc.
Talking about the advantages of a vegan diet. Vegan diet is basically focusing more on the plant-based diet. This helps in not only reducing the cruelty on animals but also has various impacts on the health of a person. Some of the advantages of a vegan diet are: it helps in reducing risk to heart attack. It also helps in reducing diabetes. It helps in weight loss. So if you consult any dietitian, the first thing these days they promote is consuming a plant-based diet or a vegan diet. So veganism does not have to do with all or nothing, but creating own roadmap and being realistic about what you want to achieve, and you will be satisfied with the change.
Be talking about the alternative products that can be used in place of dairy products to follow the path of veganism. So some of the products are: first, tofu. Tofu is the classical meat alternative and has been one of the basic source of nutrition in Asia for centuries. Tofu is made using soaked soya beans, which are mashed with water to form a smooth pure. Afterwards, the pure is filtered and separated the firm is separated from it. The second one is soya protein. Soya chunks are very inexpensive ingredients that are easy to prepare. They consist of dehydrated soya, which once mixed with water can be used as a meat substitute in almost any dish. The third one is wheat protein. The protein in wheat is easy to season and prepare, and with a consistency similar to wheat. It is a popular meat substitute that has been a staple ingredients in Asian cuisine for centuries.
So here we come to the end of our presentation, and I'll be concluding with veganism. So a vegan diet is a boon to health. It can help a person to have a lower cholesterol level, lower weight, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. It also helps in preventing the deadly chronic diseases like diabetes, cancer. It may also help in prolonging the longevity. However, if the diet is not planned properly, it may be proved to be a bane to the health. Hence, more studies should be conducted to prove beneficial effects of the vegetarian diet. In my opinion, I would suggest everyone consider a vegan diet as an option to educating therapy if some are at a borderline of developing any of the diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, kidney stones, hyperlemia, and cataracts, or are suffering from depression. Okay, so I hope we were able to change the mindsets of a few towards developing a healthier lifestyle, and thank you.